Okay, now we're on math and we're on page 327, and your name and date can be at the top, and it's saying number 1. That should look, your page should look like that. Okay. Number 1, it says Denali is the only national park with a team of sled dogs that help the park rangers take care of the park. Circle 2/3 of the sled dogs. Okay, a few minutes ago we had to circle 1/3. Now we're circling 2/3. Let's think what that means, okay? It means you found all these dogs, okay? And you're going to kind of mentally put them in 3 piles. That's what the third is. So there's a pile of dogs here, and one here, and one here. How many dogs are going to be in each grouping? Okay, how many dogs here? And then how many here and how many here? And then you're going to circle 2 of the groups, okay? Can you get that in your head? So you take all the dogs, okay? And you're going to put them in 3 groups. That's what the third part means, okay? So a group of dogs here, another group of the same number here, and another group right there. And then you're going to circle 2 of the groups. Okay. All right? Count by 4s, okay? If you can't figure out, you can add in your head. If you can't figure that out, you can always get your 4 fingers and count by 4. So you go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8's your second number. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that's your third number. So you can do it that way, or you can just mentally add 4 more, okay? Whatever is easiest for you. For number 3, you don't need me. For number 4, Dad, Mom, Ben, Jesse drove to the campsite in Denali. They left their home at 7 in the morning and arrived at noon. How many hours did that take? So 7 till noon. So think about that clock, how many times it would have to go around, and how many hours did they drive. Okay, on the back side of your paper, it's showing you 100,000, so we don't get to work with this very much this year, but you will next. So you see the ones column, see right over here, there's the ones column and the tens and the hundreds and the thousands and the 10,000s, but today they're talking about the 10,000s. So over here it says, circle the digit that's in the, did I say that right? I think I said it wrong. Okay, let me go back over it since I said it wrong. The ones, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, the 10,000s, and the 100,000s. Today they're working on the 100,000s. Okay, so on the digits here, or on the numbers, they want you to circle the number that's in the 100,000s house. Okay, can you do that? Okay, so there you can see, okay, that's the number that lives in the 100,000s house. That's the ones house, the tens house, the hundreds, the thousands, the 10,000s, and the 100,000s. So go ahead and circle that number. Wow, that's a big number. Then for number 2, it says write the value of 6 in 632,425. Let me show you exactly what they're meaning here. What they're wanting to know is, what is the 6 worth? How much, what house does it live in is kind of what they're wanting to know. And it's living in that house, so there'll be 600,000. So ones house, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. The 6 is living in the 100,000s house. Now we can look where the 6 is living in this house over here, or over in this problem. We've got 6 is living in what column? You're going to get this one. 6 is not living in the ones house, or the tens house, or the hundreds house, but the 6 is living in the thousands house. So it's worth 6,000s. Okay? And let's look at this last one. Write the value of, oh, I miswrote it. Oh, don't you hate when that happens? Let's go back to number 3, Mrs. Harper, and let's read it again, Mrs. Harper. Write the value of 4 in 406,782. Oh, well, that wasn't near as much fun. I had it being far too hard. Okay, so there's my 4, because it's living in the 100,000s house. And the next one says, write the value of 2 in 270,013. And you've got the pattern by now, I'm sure. Okay, So the 2 is living in that house. Oh, I think I've got it right. Okay. Now, this part, let's do together. Ready? Write the number your teacher says. Each number has 6 digits, so they're going to be big numbers. Ready? First one. 148,300. 148,300. Letter B. 200,000. 200. 200,000. 200. Letter C. 395,000. 395,000. And the last one. 286,572. 286,572. Good. For number 6, write the number of bills and coins needed to make the amount. Okay, and use the fewest pieces of money. So we've got $9.63. How many $5 bills would that be? Okay, 9 is bigger than 5, so we know at least it is at least one $5 bill. If you had 2 $5 bills, it'd be $10. So we don't have that much money. So we're just going to put a 1 under the $5 bills. So right there, you're just going to put a 1. So now we've got $4.63. In $4.63, how many dollars do we have? Well, we just said it, $4. So we put the number 4. Okay, so did you put the number 4 there? Okay, and now we have 63 cents. So how many quarters do we have? Well, if I had 1 quarter, I'd have 25 cents. If I had 2 quarters, I'd have 50 cents. If I had 3 quarters, I'd have 75 cents. So, I only have 63. So I would only have 2 quarters, and that would be 50 cents. And I'd have 13 cents left over. So in my 13 cents, how many dimes do I have? You're right, 1. And in 3 cents, because that's how much I have left over, how many nickels would I have? 0. Because a nickel is 5 cents, and I only have 3 cents. And so I have my 3 pennies, which is 3 cents. So let's see if we can add that up. $5 and 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. $9.50, $9.60, $9.63, and that's what it said there. We did it. Good job. Okay, the bottom part you can do without me, and good job. Be sure you've got it all fixed up. Okay, bye-bye.